Some lessons life had to teach the hard way. This book makes it easier.
So today we are with Pragya Patak, who is a author and a yoga coach and a art of living teacher, and she is guiding many people. So recently there is a book that was released, What School Didn't Teach. So related to that, we will be discussing in today's session. Come, Pragya.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Sashank. Thank you so much.
So why this title came to you? What was your like you could have written something else, beat your distraction and
Yes, it
do
is quite
your
a bold title. What did not teach. From the beginning itself, when I was a child, I was a student and everything in the school and even in the college. I felt that the real education about handling the mind, handling emotions, managing your own life. What is real success? What is real failure? It was never taught to us. पता है सबने सिखाया प्रॉफिट लॉस कैसे करना है साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा कैसे होगा ये कहानी का क्या है कैसे निकालो एवरीथिंग ये पोएम याद करो ये हिस्ट्री याद करो व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अच्छा है करना चाहिए लेकिन बच्चों को पता नहीं है वही ना बच्चे एडल्ट्स बन जाते हैं 20 ईयर ओल्ड 25 ईयर ओल्ड दे आर एंडिंग देयर लाइफ ठीक है आप वो सिखाइए लेकिन आपने पूरा माइंड मैनेजमेंट इमोशंस व्हाट इज रियल सक्सेस व्हाट इज रियल पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ ये आपने कुछ भी नहीं सिखाया तो आई यूज टू फील वेरी बैड एंड हार्ट ब्रोकन फिर मैंने बोला कि बातें तो बहुत लोग करते हैं मैंने किया क्या उसके लिए आई हैव टू शेयर समथिंग तो मैंने वो किताब लिखी ना कि मुझे अगर ये मिलता व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड आई वाज अ किड आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट 9th 10th और इवन 11th 12th तब मुझे ये चीजें सीखने को मिलती इसलिए मैंने इसमें टॉपिक्स डिफरेंट डाला है कि भाई हाउ टू हैंडल द माइंड हाउ टू गेट ओवर कंफ्यूजन व्हाट इज द हैप्पीनेस फॉर्मूला हाउ टू ओवरकम एडिक्शंस और कभी आपको जब रिजेक्शन फील होता है ना कि भाई कोई सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है व्हाट इज दैट स्टफ दैट इज योर इनर स्ट्रेंथ तो ये सारी चीजें मुझे नहीं सिखाया गया था फिर मैंने देखा इतने सारे और स्टूडेंट्स एजुकेशन सिस्टम में वो मिसिंग है तो मुझे लगा कि लेट्स गो दिस टाइम क्वाइट बोल्ड एनफ ऑफ सुगर कोटिंग एंड बीइंग गुडी एंड एवरीथिंग देयरफॉर व्हाट स्कूल डिड नॉट टीच 37 लाइफ ट्रूथ्स यू विश समवन हैड टॉट यू अर्लियर ऐसे ट्रूथ जीवन के आपको आप बड़े लोगों के लिए भी है ये आपको भाई ये तो पहले पढ़ाना चाहिए था मुझे ना no matter what is your profession you have to know how to manage the mind how to live this life वो तो कोई नहीं बता रहा so yeah definitely that is the reason behind it yes
so like who all should read, only students or like any other people you
that's a
recommend?
beautiful question so this is the brilliant book for of course students teachers के लिए सबसे important है क्योंकि ठीक है आप chemistry के teacher हो mathematics के हो but you should definitely know how to teach them to be more kinder, more gentle, calming their own mind, overcoming their fears and, anxiousness. That is very important. तो teachers के लिए है, parents के लिए है सबसे important. और जो coaches हैं, life coaches हैं, trainers हैं, educators हैं, उनके लिए बुक ना एक मैनुअल के जैसे है. Because इसका जो source है ना शशांक, it is influenced by Bhagavad Gita, our own scriptures. So it is a authentic knowledge. So therefore it is important for the educators, teachers, parents, of course students. Yes.
So if you want to describe it in one line, like about the book, so what will you say? Like who want to read, or you feel like after writing this book, you felt like this one line will hit some people, like they will get influenced, or you felt like after writing this, what?
The one thing that I felt is like the real success is not in chasing the endless marks, certain job, certain status, certain materiality. It is finding your own inner contentment within your own self. That is your real sign of success. You know what? Losing your own self is the biggest cost that you pay in form of your life. This is your life. So after writing this book, I felt so much of fulfillment that I have shared all the things that I wished someone had taught me earlier. So it is not just about talking, oh, I wish for like education system is bad and stuff. Now is some action time. And I'm here to, help people understand the biggest purpose of their lives through Bhagavad Gita, meditations, yoga, and lots of things. Yes.
So in this book, like what three top things that you think school didn't taught that you want to tell, like if someone is watching this, some top three things they should like specifically first read, or they have to go through it immediately, like is these three you should not miss like that?
First is managing mind and emotions. Brain, mind is your tool. If you know how to manage and hack that to your own favor, make it your friend, you cracked it. Second thing, finding your mentor, your guru in life. Not the one who teaches you how to solve mathematical problems. Not the one who teaches you how to, speak confidently, just in some good grammar and stuff like that. The one who teaches you how to hear your own inner voice, how to connect with your own self. So finding a mentor in life, the right kind of mentor. And third thing is connecting with the inner power within your own self, developing unshakable faith. You know what? Finding a real eternal friend or a lover who never stopped loving you. I know you have read the book, Shashank, and you shared with me beforehand that how you like the book and everything. So you must have read that line, find the divinity, the real lover who never stopped loving you. These are the key elements. Managing mind emotions, and then, finding your inner guide, your mentor, your guru in life, and then connecting with the divine power. You know what? If these three things are sorted, now everything else will run towards you. That is the power. Yes.
Why do you think whatever lessons you have written, it's missing in education system? Like right now, like some they are upgrading because I talk with like who are studying and everything.
Yeah.
Some things they are adding up. So what do you think like you have written and that is missing?
Of course, in education system, there is so much of emphasis given on subject knowledge, not implementable knowledge, or even about the human life, the bigger perspective about life, managing emotions and everything. So I have been student myself, and I have seen how there's like 6 periods, 7 periods, 1 period Hindi, English, Sanskrit. Okay, all right, good. And then, physics, chemistry, biology. So you're understanding the outer world. What about the inner world? There is no wisdom, around the inner world. And when you wake up and realize, and you do a little bit of research, we realize that in our ancient times, there was a lot of knowledge around the self, around the Bhagavad Gita. पहले के जमाने में गुरुकुल में यही हमारे मेन सब्जेक्ट्स होते थे. About the Vedas, about knowing the self, about knowing the mind. What is the real purpose of life? हम यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं? अरे मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ you have to be a saint and you have to leave the house and stuff. आप कोई भी फील्ड में है शशांक, you should know how to be mindful, how to live in the present moment. क्योंकि जीवन तो अभी घट रहा है ना. बहुत स्टूडेंट शेयर करते हैं एग्जाम का फियर हो रहा है, प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकते, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं उनके भीतर. और वो एंग्शियस मन से कितनी प्रोडक्टिविटी आएगी? नहीं आएगी ना. मैंने तो कभी आज तक अटेंड नहीं किया कि प्रोडक्टिविटी क्लास, फॉरगेट अबाउट गॉड एंड पर्पस. मैं तो कोई स्कूल में प्रोडक्टिविटी क्लास भी नहीं अटेंड किया था. आपने किया था क्या? कम्युनिकेशन का किया था क्या? नो. We are not talking about spirituality and God. We are talking about the basics with the education system missed. I have never attended confidence class. सबने बोला बोलो बोलो स्टेज पर. अरे कैसे बोले? नहीं आ रहा कॉन्फिडेंस. स्किल कोई तो सिखाओ. डरो मत. कैसे नहीं डरे?
Like very some rare people like I seen in my engineering time. One teacher was there, so she was little guiding like what to answer while interview. Like very like I see you can take 0.1%. Like some people are there, something that is going to help you. Like it can be an interview or how you like your body language.
Very true.
But very less people do that. Like all others are like taking textbook and giving you whatever syllabus.
Indeed. That is the power. No, you remember that teacher who taught all of like good stuffs about life. Even I remember those, teachers. इसलिए मैंने बोला this book is for the teachers because वही students से हर दिन मिलते हैं. तो apart from your subject, English के अलावा, physics के अलावा आप क्या सिखा रहे हो? And I would like to share about one of my close friend. Her name is Sagun Rautela. She is also a French teacher. And of course, parenting coach and lots of stuff she does. उन्होंने शेयर किया कि उनके स्टूडेंट्स, उनको फ्रेंच पढ़ाना है स्कूल में, but she is sharing life skills, confidence, communication, and all the good things, how to managing their minds, emotions, learning to listen to their own minds, being confident, and that is so inspiring. और हमारे भारत में और पूरे विदेश में हर जगह in the whole world we require more of those teachers. ठीक है, एजुकेशन सिस्टम में नहीं है, समय लगेगा ना वो चीज आने में, लेकिन हमारे ऐसे सगुन जैसे इतने अगर टीचर्स मिल जाए तो कितना ब्यूटीफुल होगा. और उनकी एक स्टूडेंट थी, वो शेयर कर रही थी कि मैम हाउ यू ट्रांसफॉर्म माई लाइफ, जिनको उन्होंने कुछ साल पहले पढ़ाया था. तो आपको भी पता होगा कि हमारे कोई एक ऐसे टीचर थे जिन्होंने कुछ तो मोटिवेशन दिया और वो अभी तक रह गया. तो सोचिए उस समय से ही अगर एजुकेशन सिस्टम में ये बातें आ जाए तो आज हमारे जीवन में कितना बदलाव आए ना, isn't it? So this is the motivation behind. कुछ पार्ट है और वो enhance हो रहा है, that is very important. बट आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग टू बी मिस्ड, और एटलीस्ट उससे ज्यादा नहीं तो जितना इंपॉर्टेंस आप देते हो ना फिजिक्स के क्लास को, मैथमेटिक्स को, सोशल स्टडीज को, आप उतना ही इसको भी दीजिए, है ना? ये कोई एंटरटेनमेंट क्लास ना रहे कि ऑप्शनल एंड समथिंग. सो या दैट इज व्हाट आई बिलीव
Agree with that. So like
in.
I talk with some students and they tell like whenever there is PT class, it's like interesting. I want to like do whole day and but when it is not there, not that excitement is there, normal things are happening. So you have written Bhagavad Gita and you also practice meditation and Sudarshan Kriya. So how it has influenced to write your this book? How it has helped you?
I have not written Bhagavad Gita. That is the
Uh,
book Discovering Your
like
Life's Purpose. Yeah.
not written means you have read.
Commentary kind of thing I've done. Yeah. So please, can you repeat your question? Yeah.
So the question is like how reading Bhagavad Gita and doing meditation and Kriya influenced to write this book, because writing book requires some energy and we have to research things.
For sure. So when I was in class 11th and 12th, I started reading Bhagavad Gita. That was the one of the darkest moment of my life. No idea where to lead, unhealthy habits, eating habits, sleeping habits, no energy, no enthusiasm, no support, lots of rejections, no mentor, no guidance was there. Then I started reading Bhagavad Gita. It's okay, let's read this. Arjun was also lost at that point in time, so I was also lost. I was like, let's read. Or Shashank, when I started reading it, it started healing me from inside. I started feeling more calm, more peaceful, more and more clear every single day. Even though I could not understand it completely, I was able to understand few things, few lines, yet that was so peaceful. So that brought a sense of awareness and clarity in my life. And then I took up, yoga and every single thing afterwards. And Sudarshan Kriya, the day I started practicing it, the day I, met my Gurudev, the day he came into my life, that was the best day of my life. That changed my life. And whatever that I share in this book or that book or anything, anywhere in the video, in the talk, any word or by my presence, anywhere, if someone is being positively, inspired, influenced, helped, it is only by the grace of Gurudev. I will say you, like from my heart, it is him, only him. And of course, the practice that he has gifted the whole humanity, which is changing the world. The billions of people's lives are being changed every single day through the Sudarshan Kriya. That brought a lot of sense of calmness, happiness, purpose, and freedom. I was someone who was so afraid to even talk to one person in front of me. Forget about the whole crowd and the whole other people. I was someone who could not even write 2 lines. So Sudarshan Kriya is the powerhouse of creativity and doing things you never imagined you would do in the future. So the all credit goes to my Guru, Sudarshan Kriya, Bhagavad Gita, Lord Shri Krishna. It's all their guidance, And I feel so grateful. And it is just the beginning. That's it.
So for someone is anxious and confused, so how they can start doing this self-learning, where like if they buy this book also, who I have spoke, most of the time they tell like I don't have time to read this, or I have this much textbook, let this complete. But I know it is never going to end, because after PUC there will be a degree after that. That depends on their. So how they should start like.
So first of all, find a mentor. The mentor and the guru, the guide will tell you how to move ahead. What is the question that you're asking me? If you'll hold on to a mentor, when you feel accountable to a mentor, he and she will guide you towards the good path. And I will recommend you to, join one of Art of Living programs. Well, you will find your teacher, where you'll find, Sudarshan Kriya and your guru and every single thing. So just have faith, join the happiness program and start learning, of course. And definitely you pick this up, you start reading and something will hit you, not all the 37 messages, because this transformed me. And it will definitely, I feel, transform you if you have walked that path. And of course, and most important thing, you should gift this to the more and more people. That is your biggest gift you can give to anybody whom you love and care about. आपको पता है, आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं है. एक आप याद करो, जब आप टीनेजर थे ना, कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करता था और हमें कोई बातें बताते, सब आके बोल के तुम ये करो ना, तुम इसमें सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो, तुम वो करो ना, ये देखो ना, दिन भर टीवी देखता है, दिन भर फोन चलाता है. किसी ने नहीं पूछा भाई तुमको क्या मन है करने का, आर यू ओके? अभी भी अगर बात होती है तो कोई बोलता है कहाँ काम करते हो, अच्छा इतने ही सक्सेसफुल हो पाए, तुम्हारी सैलरी कितनी है, अच्छा तुम इतने ही हो पाए। नोबडी आस्क्स हे आर यू ऑल राइट, आप खुश हो क्या, आप तृप्त हो क्या, डू यू नीड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम मी, आर यू ऑल राइट, नो वन केयर्स। तो वो सेंसिटिविटी जब तक इस देश में या सोसाइटी में हम नहीं लेकर आएंगे, तब तक हम हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स को नहीं बढ़ा सकते हैं। लोनलीनेस में एपिडेमिक हो गया है, एवरीबडी फील्स लोनली। तो मैं ये कहूंगी कि अगर आप इस किताब को शेयर, यू डोंट वांट इट, शेयर इट, दैट्स इट, शेयर विद समवन। किसी के घर में अगर चला गया ना, वो इंसान कभी गलती से रो रहा है या दुखी है, कभी पढ़ लिया, दुखी है कभी पढ़ लिया, या उसके बच्चे ने पढ़ लिया, यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ कैन यू चेंज एंड सेव लाइव्स। बिकॉज आई नो, जब मैं उस डार्क फेज में थी, अगर मुझे ये बुक मिलता ना और अगर मैं पढ़ती, तो मुझे लगता कि कोई मेरी बड़ी बहन या मेरा बड़ा भाई मुझसे बात कर रहा है इसमें, डायरेक्टली बात कर रहा है मेरे सारे प्रॉब्लम्स। व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग दैट चैप्टर, हाउ टू ओवरकम लस्ट एंड एडिक्शंस इन लाइफ, कौन है जिससे आप शेयर कर सकते हो? आपके भीतर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, एडिक्शंस थोड़े बहुत हो रहे हैं, जो चीजें हो रही हैं, कोई नहीं है जिससे आप बात कर सकते हो। इट इज कंसर्निंग, इट इज अलार्मिंग। और जिनसे आप कर सकते हो, वो और भड़काते हैं आपको, आपके पीओ, आपके स्टूडेंट्स हैं आसपास, वो तो और इनकरेज करेंगे ना। सो इफ यू फील कि नहीं वैसा नहीं है, डेफिनेटली यू पिक इट अप। तो इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ, मोर देन दैट, इफ यू शेयर दिस विद मोर एंड मोर पीपल, यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ दिस कैन सेव लाइव्स। मैंने इसको क्यों शेयर किया, क्यों लिखा मैंने? बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू सेव मोर एंड मोर स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी हार्ट ब्रेकिंग। शशांक, मैंने एक बार ना एक न्यूज पढ़ा था, लाइक मेनी इयर्स बैक, वैसे तो ये होता रहता है, एवरी सिंगल डे इट इज हैपनिंग, एवरी सिंगल आवर इट इज हैपनिंग, स्टूडेंट्स आर टेकिंग देयर लाइफ अवे। एक दिन मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में थी और मैंने ये न्यूज पढ़ा कि वन स्टूडेंट टेकन देयर लाइफ अवे बिकॉज नीट का एग्जाम क्रैक नहीं हुआ, और पेरेंट्स के डर से उसने नोट लिखा और वो चला गया। आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, रुक ही नहीं रही थी मैं, पता नहीं मैं रोने लगी। वो न्यूज पढ़ के मैं हॉस्टल में थी, रोने लगी, मैं चुप ही नहीं हो रही थी। आई फेल्ट दैट, हम सब वो मोमेंट में फील करते हैं ना, कभी ना कभी तो सबने फील किया था, वांट टू एंड माय लाइफ। और वहां पर वो कोई एक भी नहीं मिला टू होल्ड योर हैंड, इट्स ऑल राइट, इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ बुक और एनीथिंग। तो मुझे वहां से मोटिवेशन मिला। मैं रो क्यों रही, मुझे रोना नहीं है। रोना अगर आपको आ रहा है किस चीज पर या कुछ भी, तो ट्रांसलेट इनटू एक्शन ना। और फिर वहां से मुझे लगा कि आई हैव टू वॉक टुवर्ड्स इट। इट कैन बी वीडियो, इट कैन बी बुक, इट कैन बी वॉट एवर, बट यही होगा। मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरा सक्सेस क्या है, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता। मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि वो अपना जीवन इतना जो प्रीशियस है वो ले। मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि वो कोई टीन एजर या कोई यूथ या कोई प्रोफेशनल अकेले बैठ के रोए और दुखी हो जाए। एटलीस्ट उसको पता होना चाहिए कि भगवान उसके साथ हैं। And this book will turn into that guide, whether you are a student, whether you're a professional, working professional, human being, this will hold your hand when you will feel you are alone, and when you want to take your life to the next level. Yeah, and that is the motivation behind it.
So you added about, you told in the book,
Hmm.
there is also about distraction, lust, and everything. When I read the book, I also felt like if I was a student, uh, like we did not have a group like to share something, or they would appreciate that thing only. Okay, it's good, it's normal, and everything. So, like you told about this, but you could have written a book about only distractions and how to come out of this. So, but you did not write. You had a clarity about this, and like from when did you start this writing this book and everything?
So I started writing it in 2024. The seed was way like behind. Seed तो बहुत पहले से था. 2024 का, it was a May month. And I was not too well at that time. तो कहते हैं ना कि जब आप खुद के ही सैड जोन में हो या थोड़े से अनहैप्पी जोन में हो, don't be there. Start doing something good and constructive and start just thinking about the purpose and good things. तो उस समय मैंने बोला कि let's just start writing. I took like 2 weeks off. 2 week मैंने ऑफ लिया, कोई सेशन नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. एंड आई यूज्ड टू राइट 8 hours सुबह से लेकर के लाइक इवनिंग तक. एंड इट वाज क्वाइट अ जर्नी. एंड तब मैंने स्टार्ट किया लिखना और वो कंप्लीट हो गया. उसके बाद उसको बिल्डअप करना, क्रिएट करना, डिजाइन करना, वापस सब कुछ चेंज करना. जितने बार आप पढ़ते हो उतने रिफाइन आप करते हो. तो उसके बाद मैंने इतने समय से एवरीबॉडी वाज आस्किंग कब आ रहा है आपका बुक, कब आ रहा है आपका बुक. आई वाज लाइक कमिंग सून. सो दे वर लाइक कमिंग सून इतने महीने. आई वाज लाइक यस कमिंग सून. सो ऑफ कोर्स रिफाइनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, लॉट्स ऑफ समय लगता है ना आपको. एंड नाउ ऑफ कोर्स इट इज हियर. It's there in front of you. It has materializes.
So like let's say I am a student, I read your book, but I did not understand anything after reading this book, because you have connected with the God and
Hmm.
whatever they believe in, that like it can be universe or a God or whatever they believe. So
Hmm.
they did not understand it, or they're confused like what they have to do. They can connect with you or like.
Hmm. So first important thing is you don't have to believe in anybody. You have to believe in yourself. If you find it confusing, who is divine? Can you just think of the universe? Can you just think of energy? एनर्जी है ना, यूनिवर्स कोई तो कहीं तो कुछ तो है ना, और फॉरगेट कोई तो आप हो ना. Believe in yourself, you know, feel some higher power, you know, or start meditating. आपका breath है ना, start focusing on your breath, है ना, and just know that कि you are not some what people think of you are, कि भाई हम तो एक डोंकी, हमको तो कहाँ कुछ आता है, कहते हैं हम, ऐसा नहीं है. तो स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन योर सेल्फ बिफोर बिलीविंग इन एनीबडी एल्स, यू नो, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर. और अपने हैबिट्स को ठीक करना आप स्टार्ट कर दो, अपने लाइफस्टाइल को ठीक करना स्टार्ट कर दो. नहीं पढ़ने में आ रहा समाज, रीड मोर, रीड अगेन, रीड अगेन, रीड अगेन, रीड अगेन. डोंट फोर्स एनीथिंग, जस्ट, यू नो, immerse yourself in the learning and then you will find everything unfolding. So हो सकता है वन गो में ना समझ में आए, होल्ड ऑन टू इट. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको लगातार पढ़ना है इसको, यू कैन रैंडमली रीड एनी चैप्टर इफ यू वांट, यू नो. इतने सारे, इसमें बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स हैं, आप देखो आपको अभी कौन सा चाहिए. अच्छा, आई वांट टू रीड अबाउट द सरेंडर. People keep talking about the surrender. अच्छा, people talk about God. Who is God? And you know, there's a chapter I have shared. Who is your real father? It's not what you think. So अभी लगता है हमको ना कि अरे मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं करते. अरे वेक अप एंड सी द रियलिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप्स. तो ये किताब आपको शांत तो करेगी, स्किल्स तो आपको सिखाएगी, लेकिन इट विल कॉल यू टुवर्ड्स द हायर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. ये आपको छोड़ती नहीं है कि हाँ जी बस आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, ठीक है, नहीं. और हो सकता है अभी ना समझ में आए आपको, बट व्हेन यू रिपीटेडली इमर्स योरसेल्फ यू विल गेट टू नो. सो रीड विद अ लाइट हार्ट and of course share more, meditate, definitely.
So like you told, right, self-belief. When
Hmm.
self-belief comes, you have the attitude of doing something. So
Yeah.
when you have that attitude, when they see you like taking action and doing something,
Hmm.
maybe your family in starting, they may not support.
Hmm.
Once they feel like you are going in right way, or they may not also feel, but
Hmm.
he's doing something different or
Yeah.
something new, like
Hmm.
compared to other people, like what normally do in
Hmm.
the college, like go for a trip or go for some movie, whatever.
Hmm.
So he's doing something different and he is having clarity. So
Hmm.
then they see you in a different way, right? That
Yeah,
we have to build up ourselves.
for sure, for sure. So yes, my family was not like supportive in the beginning because they're thinking, what is the things he's doing, 3 hours of meditation, Surya Namaskars and every single thing, waking up in the morning 3:30, sleeping at 9:30, eating very less and every single thing. They were, you know, observing it, and they're not supportive in the beginning. They're thinking, oh, where I'm going, what is my path and everything. But you know what? Your family supports you when you बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, यू नो. खुद में आप भरोसा रखते हो, खुद में क्लैरिटी है ना, तो वो बाहर क्लैरिटी रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग ऑफ माई लाइफ. बट वेन यू स्टार्ट, यू नो, यू वॉन्ट डू एनीथिंग, नो एक्शन, ओ सपोर्ट मी, नो डेडिकेशन, सपोर्ट मी, हु विल सपोर्ट यू, व्हाई विल दे सपोर्ट यू. लेकिन जब वो रियल में आपका डिसिप्लिन देखते हैं ना, लॉन्ग टर्म, नॉट जस्ट फॉर 1 or 2 months, ओ नोबडी सपोर्ट्स मी, आई विल गिव अप, नो. कोई कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है, यू होल्ड ऑन टू इट, यू कंटिन्यू डूइंग योर वर्क, एंड देन वन डे योर फैमिली विल सी एंड दे विल लाइक, ओके, आई एम विद यू. And I'm telling you, you know what? Even if nobody is with you, I have shared in this book, pick up this book and get to know who is your real family. You, if you want to know who is your real father, pick this up. You'll get to know who is your real father. That was quite some, you know, real moment in the podcast, but yeah, that was required.
Because why, right? I told about universe and everything. So people have their own imagination, and you know, their parents and
Yeah.
grandparents tell like God is like this, he has this power, and he looks like this and everything. So people start searching it. Instead of searching it, like you can research, right? We have Chat GPT,
For sure.
other software, many things are there. Or
Yeah.
follow like your YouTube channel or your Instagram handle. So they will get some clarity or start reading some books.
For sure. Yeah.
They will get more. So in this book, after reading like one lesson, you told like everyone should read is the who is your real father and family, right?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. And yes, before you ask me the next question, since you have read the book, Shashank, I would love to like have your understanding about the book. What all did you learn from the book as a working professional, as a spiritual seeker?
Mm-hmm.
And I would love
Because
to know
as a
about.
student, we don't have that much clarity, I feel.
Hmm.
Because sometimes internal will come, some things will come. Like we
Yeah.
don't plan mainly.
Hmm.
Basically, we don't plan.
Hmm.
Maybe we thought today half day will be there, again some teacher come, something happens.
Hmm.
Or we will do some other time pass or something else. So mainly planning thing you have also like plan daily you do something that connect to the divine. So that thing I'm able to connect. And the distractions that happen because in 20 to not 20, like that depends on people's
Hmm.
habits. So the distraction and everything you can't share with anyone, like maybe your
Hmm.
family or
Yeah.
anyone. And you can't trust anyone also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because
For
in
sure.
that age we
Hmm.
not that much, okay, this person, why I have
The
to share?
company is not quite assuring.
Why I have to share? If they tell to other people, then
Hmm.
that all doubts will be there. So,
Yeah.
and mainly like in every chapter, you are connected one some verses of Bhagavad Gita. So it's
Hmm.
very like I am able to relate. Like like I have also read multiple times Bhagavad Gita.
Hmm.
So that time I'm able to connect. Okay, this distraction. Okay, this verse is there. Like I am able
Very
to
nice.
realize. Okay, every chapter, like for distraction or father or divine everything. Okay, it has a like I also read, but we don't remember everything. We have to
Hmm.
read it multiple times, as you told, again and again. Yeah.
That's amazing. So whom do you recommend to read this book? कौन लोग इसको पढ़ सकते हैं जिनको हेल्पफुल होगा, जिनके जीवन में genuinely बदलाव आएगा? What do you think?
So
As a reader, what will you say?
I will tell to read for all students. Maybe
Hmm.
if they are not going to college, also they can read.
Hmm.
Because for school people also they need this,
Hmm.
and the teachers you told,
For sure.
and who are educators, like
Hmm.
who are training in IT and every people
Hmm.
who are mainly educating the other people, because right now people focus and everything Gen Z and everything is going on.
Hmm.
So when we read this, right, we also like maybe we able to connect some points
Hmm.
why this focus is not there.
Yeah.
Something we can add this point in that. Maybe not in a direct way if the
Hmm.
situation allows. In
For
a
sure.
different way we can showcase it. So
True.
like it's like almost I will recommend to read these people. It's very important, like parents and everything,
Hmm. Definitely, definitely.
taking their own time and read it.
And I'm hopeful that this will be, useful and relevant for them timelessly. And that is why it brings lots of contentment in my heart. I feel happy and content because we talk about the problems, but what is that stuff which matters is what we do about it. Even one line, one video, there are lots of complainers. ये नहीं है ठीक जी. What you are doing for that? Hmm? And when we do our duty, it's not about I wrote the book and the problems are changed. No student will take their life. No one will get into depression or whatever stuff. No, but like we have done the part, we have put in the seed. It will fructify maybe many years later, or maybe after I've gone. But who cares? Because we have done our part. This is what I believe in.
So like we told about many things of the book and everything.
Hmm.
So where they can get this, in which platform, like
Yeah,
Flipkart.
it is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Clever Fox Publishing website. So yeah, you can get it from there.
Okay, and what do you recommend? Like students, as I told, they don't have that much time. Maybe in best way or whatever thing they can
Hmm.
read.
Learn how to utilize the most powerful tool, your brain, your mind. आप भाग रहे हो कंपटीशन में बट उस टूल को ही पावरफुल नहीं किया तो फिर कोई फायदा नहीं है एंड द वन मैसेज दैट आई वांट टू गिव हियर इट स्टार्ट्स विद द कोट फ्रॉम माय गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जी वहां से स्टार्ट होता है वो कहते हैं आई रीड इट ऑल टाइम एन अनडाइंग स्माइल इज अ साइन ऑफ सक्सेस स्टूडेंट हम है ना ये एग्जाम क्रैक हो जाएगा ये सक्सेस है वो इंसान भी अपना जीवन खत्म कर रहा है कोई आई थिंक 17 बैच का या कभी का तो मैंने देखा नहीं उसकी वो नीट टॉपर था रैंक 1 he took his life away because he could not handle pressure and other different emotions उसने तो फिगर आउट कर लिया ना जीवन वो तो टॉपर बन गया उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि उसने अपने इतने ब्यूटीफुल जीवन को खत्म कर दिया उसने एक मौका वो नहीं दे सका कलेक्टिवली हम फेल हो गए ना एज ए सोसाइटी एज एजुकेशन सिस्टम एंड एवरीथिंग तो यहाँ पर गुरुदेव कहते हैं योर सक्सेस इज नॉट योर मार्क्स नॉट योर जॉब नॉट योर स्टेटस नॉट द वैलिडेशंस दैट यू सीक नॉट द पावरफुल पीपल डू यू नो द गॉड देन कौन से पावरफुल लोग भाई वेक अप So this is the powerful thing I will read out. An undying smile is a sign of success. A confidence that cannot be shaken is a sign of success. A fearless attitude in life is a sign of success. अगर ये आपको एजुकेशन सिस्टम नहीं दे सका, आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हैं, आप छोटे बच्चे, आप बड़े हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर ये चीजें आपके जीवन में नहीं आ पाए ना, सिस्टम तो फेल ही हो गया. बट आई विल टेल यू, लेट्स नॉट ब्लेम मच. क्या कर सकते हैं? ठीक है, आपको नहीं मिला, अभी हम ले सकते हैं ना. आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल है, एंग्जाइटी होता है, स्ट्रेस होता है, रिजेक्शंस मिलता है, सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता. अभी अपने आप को एजुकेट करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. आप एक पेरेंट हैं, अगर आप अपने आप को एजुकेट करेंगे तो आपके बच्चों को भी वो चीज जाएगी. हाउ कैन यू टीच समथिंग विच यू डोंट नो? So start learning yourself first. And if you're a teacher, start educating yourself so that you can transfer those values to your students. So know what is the real success. सच में success क्या है ये जानना बहुत important है.
And many people tell, right, this skill you prepare and everything.
For
Every skill you can prepare like using your whatever thing
mental strength, yeah.
with your mental strength. But here only we have a doubt. Then you told, right, same reflection will happen.
100%. Absolutely.
And when they educate like about this, like what is real and not even, I will tell real, false and right. We have like more things to do, but like energy is less or doubts are more. Then what we can do? Like we are in a confused state. We don't take action, and what is happening? You already told, time is going on. Like if you do also, time will go. If you don't do also, time is going. It is not going
For
to
sure.
stop for anyone.
For sure, for sure. This is a short ride. बहुत लंबा जीवन नहीं है. You know, we have no idea. तो पावरफुली रहना है, स्माइल के साथ रहना है, फियरलेसली रहना है. And you have to invest your time here on this. Invest your breath in the right stuff. है ना? And find the right stuff by getting deeper into the wisdom. And definitely pick this up and you will get to know why I'm saying this again and again. And then you will also continue sharing this with more and more people.
Okay. So by reading this book, can a youth find his purpose or happiness? This is the question. Like last
Yeah,
question.
it's a journey. It's a journey, of course. So अगर आपके पास मैप आ जाएगा तो आप पहुंच सकते हो ना. लेकिन सिर्फ मैप आ जाने से आप पहुंच जाओगे क्या? I'll be very honest here. I will not say, oh, of course, no. ये मैप है, चलोगे तो पहुंच जाओगे. लेकिन बस मैप लेके बस देखोगे तो फिर तो संभव नहीं है. मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें शेयर की. अगर उसको आपने पढ़ लिया और अगर आपने उसको प्रैक्टिस किया, it has the power to change your life complete 180 degree. So of course it has the power. You will find your happiness, the real meaning of happiness, the real meaning of purpose, and you will get to know your inner voice, and everything that you felt is lacking. You know, there are many working professionals who think they have got everything figured out. They have money, they have relationships, they have good family, good name, yet they feel empty. Yet they feel unhappy. What are they missing? If you want to know the answer, grab this.
Okay, it was great talking to you about the book, and many people pick up this book and read this and share your learnings and your goal and everything. Keep going. This
For sure. For sure.
More other books and help more people.
Sure. Thank you so much for having me, and I feel so grateful. Let's together work towards, raising the vibration of the consciousness by working on our own selves and helping more and more people. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.